So this fucking prick, I brought him here, 2.5 hour drive. Got nowhere else to go. Then I find out from another neighbor that they saw some fucking random person doing something to my tire. Go see. You let the fucking air out of my tire, you fucking piece of shit. Yeah, you fucking piece of shit. Just the one? Why didn't you do all of them, you fucking loser? Like, if I was gonna do it to somebody, I'd fucking do all of them. But no, he goes and does the back one.